With just a few clicks, you can create professional product photos, fashion shoots, and ads like this, all with Flair AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring Flair AI, a game-changing design tool that transforms product photography and marketing visuals using AI. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this video will show you how Flair AI can save time, money, and effort. Timestamps are below. Skip ahead if needed. What is Flair AI? Flair AI is an AI-powered design platform specializing in product photography and digital staging. It's trusted by over 1 million users and replaces expensive photo shoots with drag-and-drop editing, AI-generated models, and photorealistic renders. Key features include digital staging, turn plain product images into lifestyle shot, e.g. a perfume bottle in a luxury bathroom. AI-generated model, dress virtual models in your clothing line for fashion shoot. Templates, use pre-built scenes for e-commerce, ads, or social media. What is Flair AI doing? Flair AI focuses on simplifying professional design, AI image editing, remove backgrounds, adjust lighting, or add props with a single click. Style customization, apply brand colors, fonts, and themes for consistent branding. 3D asset integration, drag and drop 3D elements like plants or furniture into scenes. Collaboration, share projects with teams for real-time feedback. Unique fact, unlike tools like Midjourney, Flair AI lets you keep 100% of your commercial rights to generated images. Price, Flair AI uses a freemium model. Free plan, 10 images per month plus 5 projects. Pro, $8 per month, 5,500 images, faster rendering, upscaling. Pro plus $26 per month, 18,000 images, priority support, commercial license. Enterprise, custom, unlimited API access, custom model training. How to use Flair AI, create a product photo in 1 minute. Sign up, go to flair.ai, use Google or email to create a free account. New project, click create new, choose fashion or product photography. Upload product, drag your product image, e.g. a watch, into the workspace. Customize scene, add a background, e.g. wooden desk with plants via text prompt. Adjust lighting and shadows using sliders. Use magic erase to fix imperfections. Generate and download, click render, export as PNG or SVG.